Hi there, I'm Kelly Crossley for CreativePro, and today I'll be showing you why you don't need big budget video editing software to create professional grade video content. You have everything you need in the mobile in your back pocket, and it's all for free. Up first, I'm showing you the free app, Adobe Express. Here I have an 8-second video and I want to show you some of the amazing preset animations that Adobe Express can add to videos. Firstly, I'll click on Edit Video and then scroll along to Animation. That will bring up this fun menu of preset animations that we can apply. These are all great options, but I'm going to choose Tumble because it makes me think of a card tumbling into somebody's hands. So currently I'm clicked on the In option, which means this effect will be added to the beginning of my video clip. To make sure it is added to the end of my video, I need to click on Out and add the same effect. Isn't that so much fun? Going back to those animation options, I'm going to show you what the loop setting has to offer. Loop means that this effect will be applied to a whole clip and keep looping the same effect throughout the video. Here's the zoom in and out animations as an example. I'm going to scroll back to the breathe option as I really like the animation on this. And if I click on the middle of the animation icon, I can adjust some settings. If I move the slider on speed, you can see the more I increase this, the faster the animation becomes. If I click on personality, we can change the dynamics of the animation by making it more energetic or softer. And finally, if I click on intensity and move the slider right up, then we can see how much more intense we can make the animation. Next up, we're in the free version of Canva, again with the same 8-second video clip, and here I want to show you Canva's amazing text options. I will click on text in the bottom menu, and here already you can see there is so much to explore. What I'm interested in showing you today is the great feature Canva has for preset font combinations. I think this is so handy for when you're unsure about how to pair two font styles together. I'm choosing this option that says Empower Your Team, as I really like these font styles and feel they fit my brand really well. So once I've clicked that, the text now appears on your video clip and you can click to edit the font. I'm typing brand new card collection, making sure to use the 2 different font styles. And now we have that in place, I can actually further edit the text by clicking on the text and scrolling along the bottom menu to click on Effect. I will click through and show you what each of these does, and it's so useful to be able to make the text more dynamic with just one click. The final app I want to show you today is CatCut, and this free app has so many incredible effects that you can add to your videos. To access this, we click on the effects option in the bottom menu, and when this opens up, we have a variety of effects to choose from. Today I'm choosing Sparkle Spiral as it's one of my favourite effects and fits well with my brand. If I click on the effect again, I can also adjust the settings such as the speed. If I increase the slider, it makes the effect go faster, and the opposite if I decrease the slider. I like this effect a bit slower, I think. I will click the arrow to exit the settings and then click the tick icon to apply this. And if I press play, that now has the effect all over the video. Now with CapCut, there are so many more ways we can level up the editing on our video, as they have so many different editing options, as you can see from my scrolling along the bottom menu. Today I'm going to show you what amazing things the mask option can do. For today, I'm going to choose the mirror option, and once that's applied, I'm going to rotate it and using the white arrow icon, adjust the effects that this setting creates. I can also click on mirror again and adjust more settings here, such as the feathering on the effect. Once I'm happy, I click the arrow icon. Now I'm going to add what are called keyframes, which allow me to add this effect to the full video clip. To add a keyframe, I click the diamond icon. I will now move the mirror effect to the top corner of the video. I will now scroll to the end of the video clip and add a keyframe and move the mirror effect to the bottom corner of the video. Now if I play the video, you can see the full effect, which makes the video so much more dynamic. But we won't stop there. I can level the video up even more. I'm going to scroll along the video clip until I can add another keyframe, and then using my fingers I will pinch out and rotate as I drag to zoom in on the clip. I will now scroll along the video to near the end until I can add the final keyframe, and this time pinch in on the video and rotate to zoom out on the clip. If I play the clip now, you can see how much these effects have transformed the video and made it look so much more professional and compelling. So that's it. Those are some of my absolutely favourite tools for editing videos on your mobile with some fantastic free apps. I hope you try them out and have fun.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.